Today we're going to attempt to do a knuckle rebuild on my 94 FZJ80. I already took off the tie rods, it's right under the car. My plan for this car is to completely overhaul the suspension so it rides smoother. You know, I'm not scared of going anywhere and anything snapping, breaking down, clunking, anything like that. Don't mind my sketchy jack setup. It's alright, it's okay, we're not going under the car. But yeah, I haven't done this before, but we're gonna go ahead and prep our work area. We're gonna go ahead and clean that chair up, prep our tools, our consumables, our grease. Alright, we're good to go. You guys stay there. Important. This is the entire reason you're doing a knuckle rebuild, to remove the seal. If you don't have a tool to remove the seal, don't do it until you get one of these. Right? There's fancy ones out there, but this one will do. It's called a seal puller. You get a spring fishing weight, right? So we're going to use this hook or this entire tool to measure resistance. There's specific resistance that you need for the wheel bearing when it turns around. We'll keep this around.
I don't know what you want. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side. My love.
If you're going to use a chisel and hammer, make sure the chisel is sharp.
But you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna cry, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You want. Let's have a bit of fun till I die.
Look at that bearing.
This side, my love. You say you wanna try.
Remember, everything from here, with the exception of the bearing on the top and the bottom, beyond the shield, is going to be wheel bearing grease, which is red. Anything past that in this knuckle right here at the back is going to be gray moly grease. Buisit.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you, for you, for you, for you, for you, won't you let the light shine through.
Natin. Pa?